Hi, I'm Alex from DBUVS. One question many FPV pilots ask is, how do we assemble our own drone? At DBUVS, we're always ready to share our knowledge so that more people can learn not only how to fly FPV drones, but also how to build their own. We offer a complete online FPV flying video course for only $3 per month for new pilots who had never flew a FPV before, as well as a comprehensive drone assembly course for experienced pilots at a very reasonable price. Getting started is simple. First, visit our school page and click Upgrade. Then, choose either the Premium or VIP membership to access the training videos. As a VIP member, you receive access to our drone assembly courses. You can also join our flying club and use our RaceGate track and drone rental for free. If you prefer not to pay a monthly membership fee, simply visit the classroom section and purchase the course separately. You'll then receive lifetime access to the course. So, don't hesitate. Join us today and start your FPV journey. We hope to see you soon.